Direct vent gas is a sealed system that provides safe, convenient, and consistently beautiful fires every time. Direct vent technology uses outside air for combustion and expels byproducts like carbon monoxide, nitrogen dioxide, and excess moisture. Terminated to the outside either vertically through the roof or horizontally through the wall, direct vent technology makes it possible to install and vent a gas fireplace, insert, or stove in almost any room. This saves energy and delivers warmth and comfort where you need it most. Direct vent technology revolutionized fireplaces, making them safe and convenient. It is the most requested type of technology for gas fireplaces, inserts, and stoves today.